to the Career Robotic channel. In robotics engineering, one of the most important decisions you make is choosing the right microcontroller for your robot. Some engineers and students prefer cheap and simple boards that are easy to use, while professionals often rely on more powerful and expensive microcontrollers designed for advanced applications. But the big question is, can a cheap microcontroller handle advanced robotics tasks, or do you really need a professional one? In this video, we will compare cheap versus professional microcontrollers and see how they perform in advanced robotics engineering tasks. Cheap microcontrollers are very popular in the robotics community because they are affordable and easy to use. Boards such as the Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, and the ESP32 are commonly used by students, hobbyists, and beginners in robotics. These microcontrollers allow users to control sensors, motors, and basic robotic systems with simple programming. They also have a huge online community, which means there are many tutorials, libraries, and examples available for learning and experimentation. Even though cheap microcontrollers are great for learning and small projects, they start to show limitations when robots become more complex. For example, the Arduino Uno has very limited RAM and processing power compared to modern computing systems. This makes it difficult to perform advanced tasks such as real-time data processing, complex control algorithms, or handling multiple high-speed sensors at the same time. As robotic systems grow in complexity, engineers often need more powerful hardware. Professional robotic systems usually rely on more advanced hardware to achieve higher performance and reliability. Boards such as the STM32 Nucleo, Raspberry Pi 5, and NVIDIA Jetson Nano provide significantly more processing power, memory, and hardware capabilities. These systems are capable of handling advanced robotics tasks like autonomous navigation, computer vision, and artificial intelligence. Because of their performance, they are commonly used in research labs, industrial robotics, and competitive robotics projects. In many advanced robots, engineers actually combine both cheap and professional systems together. A powerful board like the Raspberry Pi 5 may handle high-level tasks such as vision processing and decision making, while microcontrollers like the STM32 Nucleo controls motors, sensors, and real-time operations. This hybrid approach allows robots to be both powerful and efficient, making it a very common architecture in modern robotics engineering. Another important difference between cheap and professional microcontrollers is the development environment and programming tools. Boards like the Arduino Uno are programmed using very simple software that is easy for beginners to learn, making it perfect for students and hobbyists starting in robotics. However, professional systems such as the STM32 Nucleo often require more advanced development environments, debugging tools, and deeper knowledge of embedded programming. While they are more complex to use, these tools allow engineers to build more efficient, optimized, and powerful robotic systems. Modern robotic systems rely heavily on communication between different components such as sensors, actuators, and processing units. Chip microcontrollers usually support basic communication protocols like UART, SPI, and I2C, which are sufficient for many small robots. However, professional boards such as the Raspberry Pi 5 and the NVIDIA Jetson Nano provide more advanced connectivity options, including high-speed USB, Internet, Wi-Fi, and support for cameras and advanced sensors. This allows robots to communicate faster and process much larger amounts of data. Safety is another key factor in advanced robotics engineering. Small projects may work perfectly with a simple microcontroller like the Arduino Nano. But when robots become larger and more complex, engineers often need systems that can scale and handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Professional platforms such as the Raspberry Pi 5 or NVIDIA Jetson Nano allow developers to run multiple programs, process large data sets, and integrate artificial intelligence capabilities. This makes them much more suitable for large-scale robotics projects. One of the biggest differences between cheap and professional microcontrollers is cost. Cheap boards often cost between $5 and $15, making them accessible to almost anyone who wants to start learning robotics. Professional systems, however, can cost between $40 and $200 depending on their capabilities. While the price difference is significant, the performance improvements can be essential for complex robotics applications that require high speed, reliability, and advanced processing. In conclusion, cheap microcontrollers are excellent for beginners, small robots, and learning the fundamentals of electronics and programming. Professional microcontrollers, on the other hand, are better suited for advanced robotic systems that require high performance and reliability. In many real-world robotics projects, the best solution is to combine both types of systems to take advantage of their strengths. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about robotics engineering and advanced robot design, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.